Alright guys, well, it's getting along real nice. Couple of bad dings, I'm sure. You can see those. You know, I'm not going to work those out anymore. I've got a pretty good finish on here. It's a matte finish, and I like that. I think what I want to do next, hit this thing on the wire wheel, just kind of get some of the bigger swirl marks out. And then I'll take and hit this thing with a Scotch-Brite pad and some lubricant, Windex, water, or something like that, something to help keep it from going too bad. As you can tell, I worked the edge out and got that fairly decent. I mean, it's certainly not shaving sharp and ready to be used, but I just wanted to repair the dings and dents that are in it. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. Coming along really good. I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. I did, as you can see, took the file to it. I was just having a really, my OCD was just not letting me leave this alone. I wanted to true these edges up a little bit more. So as you can see, I took the file to it and really tried to smooth it out as much as I possibly could. And I couldn't be happier with the way it's turning out. It's really come a long way from that ragged, beat up, hacked up axe head that I first found. And I think it's going to make a pretty good axe, It's certainly not perfect, and it's not intended to be. It is a used axe, nice, good steel. And I'm happy with it. So take a look at it again later on, and let me know what you think, guys. I hope you're enjoying the series. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Check out the links at the end of the video. They'll take you all over the place if you want to follow me on Twitter, Facebook. Check out my website. Links are all that's going to be at the end. In addition, don't forget to check out the adventure blog. The link to that is on the end as well. Also, a mailer. If you're interested in deals and sales and upcoming knives that are going to be available or anything like that, any kind of camping gear and equipment that I have on my website, click on the link at the end of the video, pop on over to the website, sign up for the mailing list, and be sure to get a jump on any products that are coming out in the next few weeks. I've got some new things that are under development now, and hopefully within a few days or a week or so, I'll be doing a video on everything and show you what I've got. Some cool stuff, so please stick around. You guys have a great day. As always, thanks for all your support, and I'll see you out in the woods.